Good morning, people. So, let's make cheesy bacon wrapped enoki with corn. So, isasalansan ko na yung mga na-wrap kong enoki sa bacon, sa kawali. And then, here's how it looks. Titimplahan ko na yan. Nag-add ako ng mga something dyan, and I also added pepperoni. Added corn. And then that's it. I also added water. And then nung kumukulo na siya, nilagyan ko siya ng cheese. Pag malambot na yung cheese, and then okay na siya. Set aside na natin. Nag-init na ako ng sesame seeds for the toppings. For the finished product, I added basil leaves and then sesame seeds. And then, here it is. Let's eat. So, here's my plating, but I'm not good at it. And it's okay. So, after kumain, nagkakanta si Jin dito. Pakinggan nyo na lang. Shout out, Jin. And that's all for today. And this meal cost only 230 pesos. Good for 4 person. Thank you!